Good morning, sunshine. Ready to tackle a brand new day? Well, now we don't need to get violent. Let's have a little chat. Yes, you. Aren't you tired of being bored and frumpy? Does your life need a little bit of inspiration? Well, have I got something for you. Have you ever heard of Indiana Jones? What's Indiana Jones? It's what we like to call edutainment, where you learn something and you have fun. Where could you find this Indiana Jones? Well, right here. It's easy enough just to subscribe. Indiana Jones has everything you're looking for. Just grab some. How? It's free. Try it out. DIYs, thrift flips, store hauls, live crafting, decor, and more. It's all here at Indiana Jones. Try it out. So stop dreaming and start living that fabulous life you've always wanted here with Indiana Jones. Oh, she's happy to help you, dear. No, she won't help you get that promotion you always wanted. Oh, no, she won't make you famous. And she won't help you marry a millionaire. But you'll forget all about that and have fun crafting here with Indiana Jones. So stay safe, be kind, God bless you, and live the adventure, my friend. Go out there, have fun. Bye, sweet friend. You know those are only on loan, right? Okay, someone call security, please. Thank you.